ako at 46.
Julian.
Wow.
Hello and welcome to Celebrity Home. Isang mainit na pagbati kay Chef Judy Ann Santos, sa kanyang kahangahangang tagumpay. Tunay na nakaka-inspire ang kanyang dedikasyon at pagmamahal sa pagluluto, lalo na sa Asian cuisine. Nakamit niya ang gintong medalya sa kanyang graduation sa Pro Culinary Asian Studies. Sa kabila ng kanyang matagumpay na karera bilang isang aktres, pinili niyang palawakin ang kanyang kaalaman at husay sa ibang larangan.
Julian.
Wow. Dapat ka sa mga atin. 50.
Okay lang, busy kayo talaga.
Ready, ma'am? 1, 2, sir.
May graduation ako. Magmamarcha kami ni Mami J.
Siyempre pa ka ng graduate. Kailang overdue na talaga to. Hindi pa kami nakaka-graduate kasi nag-pandemic din. Finally, now the first time, nagkataon may graduation.
Makamarcha na ako, natapos ko na kasi yung pro skills dito sa...
CACS. Eto na yon. This is my chance. What a good way to start 2025.
Alain mo na nga naman. Tara na. Ibang klase ang universe sa akin today.
Such good memories, Miss Julian Santos.
Last time I graduated here at CACS was a long, long time ago. And then I decided to further my skills into cooking. Sabi nga ni Ryan, if you want to have beautiful, good memories in the rock and roll culinary school, CACS is the place to go. Kasi rock and roll talaga ang mga professors dito. It is this school that made me believe na I could actually do so much more apart from acting. The world of culinary is endless. Wala siyang corners. It is round, it is big, and it's a beautiful journey. So congratulations to all of us.
Akalain mo, nakagraduate pa ako.
Iba rin. Ayan naman. Iba rin naman. Of course, I'm always grateful to my CACS family for always having my back here at the culinary world. Sila na naman talaga yung naging very patient. Hanggang madaling araw nag-aaral kami because naniwala sila na gusto kong matutunan itong mundo ng culinary. So, you're never too old to learn something new. So, aral pa tayo some more.
Yay! Graduate na ako at 46.